Video on how to clean an engine. This one's going to be on the Taurus. We're going to clean this one up. Just show you what it looks like now before we start. So you can see it's a little, it's a little dirty and stuff. It's got dirt and dust and whatnot, sand and shit all over it. So we're going to go ahead and use my famous cycle cleaner. Stuff is phenomenal. My scrub brush, soft bristle, and the S100. I mean, if you're worried about your electronics, especially your connectors and stuff, you can cover them up with some aluminum foil, keep somewhat of moisture off of them. This is just a quick clean. As you can see, I'm not gonna kill myself. I'm not gonna have a little, tiny brush. This stuff does a good freaking job on its own. Now we're gonna spray this bad boy down. Show you what she looks like. Wow, she looks freaking phenomenal. Look at that. She's clean. See how good that shit works, man. That S100, man, it's pricey. But I'm going to tell you, man, and I know I've said this many times before in my videos, that stuff is just unbelievable. And I didn't scrub 90% of this. I just scrubbed the biggest pieces I could get to with the brush. And you can see how clean this thing is, or is now. That's it. She's nice and clean. I'm done with it. That's pretty much all I do. I don't worry about the electronics. But then again, this is an older vehicle. It doesn't have any of that fancy smancy shit the new cars have. If you got it like a 2016 or something, there's a lot of stuff that you might want to cover up before you do this to your engine. But then again, like I said, I'm not an expert. Don't take my word for it. You do you, and I'll do me, as they say. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful in some way. And man, that S100, I know I tout that all the time, and that shit is just amazing. Take care.